The precedent is it's setting is normalizing troops on US soil, sending help that has not been requested, that's actually been rejected, creating a kind of chasm between federal and state government. Typically, it's been something left to the states.
President Trump's push to send troops into Portland isn't the status quo for federal troops on U.S. soil. The Posse Comitatus Act of 1878 limits federal power in deploying troops in domestic law enforcement to dealing with rebellions or insurrection. But local political science expert Chandler James says there have been instances of federalizing troops domestically. For example, in the 60s, National Guard troops were sent to the South to facilitate desegregation and to protect those participating in civil rights marches. James says with President Trump's push to send federal troops into Portland and the state's motion for a temporary restraining order to block that deployment, it could come down to the Constitution.
The right to free speech, right to assemble are constitutional rights. And so, as long as Americans are peacefully engaging in those rights, I don't know if there's ever a time for presidents to use the military to quash protests. When people go from protest to violence, domestic law officers have been able to use existing laws to maintain order.
James says the battle between Trump and the state of Oregon is something that must be resolved in the courts.